Welcome to English Practice Beginners, the calm corner where your English speaking journey begins with confidence, comfort, and a warm, guiding voice. Today, you are going to experience something truly different, a full-day English shadowing story designed especially for complete beginners who want to speak clearly from day one. This is not just a lesson, this is a slow, gentle, step-by-step English experience that takes you through the entire day of a learner who starts with zero confidence but slowly transforms into someone who can speak naturally and clearly. In this episode, we will move through morning, afternoon, evening, and night, and in each moment you will listen, understand, and shadow every sentence. So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and allow your mind to open. You are not here to memorize English. You are here to feel English. You are here to let English flow naturally into your voice, your rhythm, your confidence. And remember this, you never need perfect grammar to start speaking. You only need a voice. And today, that voice begins right here. Our story begins with a beginner named Mia, a gentle and curious learner who wakes up on a quiet morning with sunlight touching her window. She opens her eyes slowly, stretching her arms as she whispers to herself, "Today I learn English. Today I speak clearly." Shadow this with me now, slowly. Today I learn English. Today I speak clearly. The room around her is peaceful. The morning air feels new. She sits up, places her feet on the floor, and breathes in the calm beginning of her day. You can shadow her morning actions. Repeat slowly. I wake up. I sit up. I take a breath. Everything is soft, simple and clear. Mia begins her day with small English sentences because small sentences create big confidence. She walks to the mirror and says gently, "I can speak English." Now you say it with her, slowly, softly and clearly. I can speak English. The morning moves gently as Mia prepares for her day. She walks to the kitchen, picks up a glass of water and whispers, "I drink water." Shadow now. I drink water. She stands near the window while holding the glass, watching birds fly across the sky. She says, "I see the sky, I feel the morning." You repeat, "I see the sky, I feel the morning." These simple actions create natural English flow. She then makes tea for herself, breathing in its warmth. "I make tea," she says. Shadow it. I make tea. In these quiet moments, she speaks with no pressure. She smiles at her progress because she knows every sentence, no matter how small, is a step towards a confident voice. You repeat with her slowly, "I speak slowly. I learn clearly. I am growy room." After her morning tea, Mia steps outside for a short walk. The street is peaceful with soft wind touching her face. She listens to the city waking up, cars passing slowly, people beginning their routines, life moving at its own rhythm. She repeats shadow sentences while she walks. I walk slowly, I look around, I feel calm. Now you shadow it. I walk slowly, I look around, I feel calm. As she walks further, she sees a neighbour waving at her. Mia waves back and says, "Good morning." You repeat, "Good morning." Her neighbour smiles and asks, "How are you?" Mia replies slowly, "I am fine, thank you." Now shadow it. "I am fine, thank you." This is how real-life English begins, in small interactions, small steps, and small wins. When Mia returns home, she decides to practice English shadowing with daily tasks. She cleans her room and speaks softly with each action. I clean my room. Shadow it slowly. I clean my room. She opens the window and says, I open the window. Repeat with her. I open the window. She arranges her books and says, "I move my books." You shadow it. "I move my books." These actions create a natural connection between life and language. She smiles because learning no longer feels like studying. It feels like living, and shadowing becomes her way of talking to the world. After cleaning, she sits at her small desk and picks up a notebook. She writes gently, "I start today, I speak today, I grow today." Now you shadow. "I start today, I speak today, I grow today." As the afternoon arrives, the sun rises higher, and Mia feels ready for a new challenge. She decides to practice real-life English conversation, shadowing. She imagines talking to someone in a coffee shop. She imagines ordering something. Listen first. "Hello, can I have a coffee, please?" Now shadow it slowly. "Hello, can I have a coffee, please?" She imagines the server smiling and asking, "Small or large?" Mia replies, "Small, please." Now you repeat, "Small, please, please." She imagines receiving her coffee and saying, "Thank you." Shadow it now. "Thank you." These simple dialogues practiced slowly build natural confidence. Mia keeps practicing. "I order coffee, I speak clearly, I use simple words." You repeat after her. "I order coffee, I speak clearly, I use simple words." After a while, she decides to practice asking for time. She imagines meeting someone on the street. She says, "Excuse me, what time is it?" Now shadow. "Excuse me, what time is it?" The person replies kindly, "It is 2:00. Mia responds, "Thank you so much." You repeat, "Thank you so much." She continues shadowing daily life dialogues, asking for directions, talking to a friend, making plans, greeting someone politely. Every sentence is like a drop of water filling her confidence cup. Every repetition makes her voice stronger. She whispers gently to herself, "I can learn, I can speak, I am becoming confident." Again, shadow it with her. "I can learn, I can speak, I am becoming confident." The afternoon slowly moves into evening. The light becomes softer. The world becomes quieter. Mia sits near her window again and decides to shadow emotional, heartfelt sentences. Because English is not only about talking, it is also about feeling. She closes her eyes and says, "I am learning at my own pace." Shadow with her. "I am learning at my own pace." She continues, "I am growing every day." Shadow it. "I am growing every day." She whispers gently, "My voice matters." You repeat, "My voice matters." And then she smiles and says, "I believe in myself." Shadow it softly. "I believe in myself." These sentences build emotional strength, the most important part of speaking clearly. As nighttime arrives, Mia prepares to end her day with a final round of shadowing. The world is calm and peaceful, and the warm light of her lamp fills the room. She closes her notebook and takes a soft breath. "I did my best today," she says. Now shadow. "I did my best today." She continues softly, "I will learn more tomorrow." You repeat, "I will learn more tomorrow." She looks at the sky through her window and whispers, "I am ready for a new day." Now shadow. "I am ready for a new day." And finally she says, "I am becoming confident, one day at a time." You shadow. "I am becoming confident, one day at a time." Before going to bed, Mia ends her day with a final thought. English is not something she forces herself to learn. It is something she lives. It is something she feels. It is something that grows with her. And you, just like Mia, are now learning English through your day, through your actions, through your breath, through your calm clarity. You are not rushing. You are becoming stronger slowly and softly, and every time you shadow these sentences, your voice becomes clearer, your mind becomes calmer, and your confidence becomes brighter. Thank you for joining today's full-day shadowing journey on English Practice Beginners. You have done something powerful for yourself today. You have spoken, understood, and grown, and this is just the beginning. Keep practicing slowly, keep speaking clearly, and always remember, your English journey is not a race. It is a gentle path, and you are walking it beautifully.